my honor and pleasure to be here today on behalf of the Dubai Chamber.
The main task of the forum is to approach the creation of a real working BRICS legal infrastructure. This will allow businesses that wish to implement their foreign economic strategies to operate in foreign jurisdictions and work with foreign consultants. Understand the business regulatory environment.
And last week, our Minister of Energy, in terms of the economics, in terms of the population,
platform to create an understanding, not just which is limited to legal understanding, but the way the businesses want it to happen across BRICS plus universe.
Look to a service. What can you aggregate the other things beside renewables?
Today's lawyers are very business-oriented professionals who not only interpret the law and appear in court on behalf of their clients, but also seek to find solutions that benefit their clients' businesses. In order for the BRICS zone to have its own networking tool for professional lawyers, for practicing lawyers to be able to communicate with each other, and for lawyers to respond to the needs of large businesses, we have organized this platform.
It's about thinking about how we can do things differently, how we can foster trade between the BRICS countries, how we begin to establish partnerships and understanding and come up with common mechanisms.
Business economic development is absolutely impossible without legal regulation. The United States has endowed its legal system with the authority to make decisions not only within the territory of the United States of America, but also abroad. And of course, all this must be countered by some kind of international legal system, the formation of which we are witnessing today.
So America is a continent. With this Latin American Chamber of Commerce, we want to give you...
Being here for me is like opening a window in this world, to look on the other side, to better understand, and to try, to make a bridge.
Serbia is one of the countries that did not impose sanctions on Russia. So this is an additional point of interconnection between our business and the Russian one.
And IT infrastructure that is worth to speak Russian, so the chamber can help.
Why we come here is for the communication within the legal community and the business community is quite important.
Every time we attended in the BRICS forum, to understood more and more deeply to work in active work and to do cooperate together between all the BRICS countries.
Say that as for the trends in the arbitration clauses in case a Chinese person to go to court is painful and...
Thank you very much.
The main task is to get to know each other, to start trusting each other, to look for new opportunities. So all these issues here, I am sure, will be solved very effectively. Some new cool initiatives will appear after this event.
Forums are a great place because they allow for the generation of unusual solutions. Brainstorming takes place here, and sometimes even what you wouldn't expect results in just such forums. And this, is an indicator that we are not only discussing and talking about how great it would be for us to do something together, but also taking direct, real steps towards the realization of this story.
I like very much to understand a little bit better the culture of Russia and understand the business that we can do together with South America and Brazil.
We produce content in many areas. We try to cover all possible branches of content production in our activities, and of course, we cannot develop in isolation in all these projects. We are always interested in international experience and always strive to bring the most interesting content to our audience, perhaps by getting ideas from abroad.
First of all, and this is what the leaders of our countries say, they are needed to strengthen trade, economic, investment cooperation, and good relations between us, between people who represent almost half of humanity.
We are with the BRICS, and we want the BRICS to go stronger.